Yo, welcome back to another weekly chart breakdown where I trade the 15-minute orb using S&P 500, also incorporating volume profile. You're going to see me go from a beginner volume profile trader to an expert. I promise you, you're going to see me pass combines, evals, and get a payout. The goal this year is a payout from futures. That's it. A payout from futures. All right. So I did not trade on Monday and Tuesday. I had stuff going on. So this is Wednesday. So as you can see, just looking at the charts, charts look crazy, look messy because the volume profile is just messy. It is what it is. It's just messy. I'm going to break everything down. But first, let's read my notes. So, all right. Off rip. Pretty nasty day. As you can see, all this wickety, nasty day. Okay. Price broke below or below right here. You see, price broke. This is or below. This is or high. Price broke or below. Price broke value area low and point of control and the EMA. I disabled EMA just to declutter a little bit, but this candle break right here broke below or below, broke below value area low, which was down here at the time, and it closed at the EMA. So I did not take this trade here because it's not a 75% candle. My main rule the first thing I look for when I'm entering an orb trade is 75% of the candle needs to be out of the orb. This is not a valid break for me. So, and also when this broke, the EMA was kind of right here. So once it stopped at that EMA, in my head it used that EMA as rejection. So it possibly could have, rejected off the EMA and bounced back in. So I waited for this candle right here. I waited for this candle right here, which looked good. It looked like it was going to be a nice, clean setup, right? So go back to the notes. As you can see here, the first candle that broke wasn't a full 75% candle, and it closed at the EMA, possible rejection. Price bounced around, wicked me out, then hit what would have been my take profit. And that's what happened. Price just bounced around like this candle right here came very close to my take profit, wicked back up, wicked, and then this candle right here is the one that wicked me out. Boom. And then right up there it wicked me out. And this happened within seconds. I promise you, this is a 5-minute chart. This candle had probably 30 seconds to close. I promise you, it was 30 seconds to close. And within 30 seconds, it had a crazy, probably wasn't even 30 seconds. It was so fast. I would say 10 seconds, man. Within 10 seconds, had a crazy push up and then tank. And then push back up. And then look at this crazy 5-minute candle. And then just tanked. Yeah, so that kind of, made me a little bit mad, but it is what it is. And I'll attach on the screen my wins and losses for this day here. But as you can see, the last part, TP was hit successfully on the NKD account. I do have one separate account where I'm trading Japan 225, I believe is what's called, Nikkei. And yeah, I had to take profit on that account there. So that was good. I'm not sure of this day if fundamentals was playing a part of it. You have to assume so with this candle right here. Then the crazy retracement, then tank again, and then ended up being bullish for the day. But yeah, that was a unfortunate day. So all right, so let's go to Thursday. I think Thursday was better. Yeah, Thursday was a lot better. Thursday was a lot better. A lot of notes, but it looked like it was a lot better. All right, so let's jump into the notes real quick. I can move the notes around. All right, so for Thursday, what happened here? So good trading day. Market started off very bullish due to fundamentals. Pre-market very bullish with high volume. First candle broke orb high, point of control, but not sure if it was value area high was broken. 75% candle took the trade. Price stalled, and PLC point of control shifted out of the orb. Crazy retest of value area low and EMA. Take profit was hit. Aimed for 15 points. Did not take partials. Was trading from mobile. Hit TP first on Apex Trade Evade, although TP was set the same, manually close top step, blah, blah, blah. All right, so let's break it down. So we got value area, we got ORB low right here. We have ORB high right here. So pre-market, we had nice bullish, like some bullish momentum going pre-market. I know this is look a little bearish, but pre-market we have some bullish momentum going. So on this day here, as soon as the 15-minute, the first 15 minutes formed in the 15-minute orb, this is the orb here. As soon as this formed, the next candle had already broken. The next candle had already broken, right? And that's really where I entered. I think I could have waited a few seconds or so just to make sure it broke that candle's high, but that's really where I entered. I entered really after this first candle break. It was very, very, very bullish day, right? Bullish momentum, should I say, bullish volume, should I say. And I believe when I entered, I'm not sure if I entered breaking value area high. I think I could have entered in this candle was at value area high, and that's probably why we had this indecision in price failing to accept a higher value here. So that's what's happening up here. Whenever price is not like trending upwards or trending down and is stalling here, it's trying to see if it's going to accept this higher price. And it did not accept it. It actually tanked, and value area low was down here, the VAL was down here, and they kind of retested lower values down here, retested the EMA, and because it did not accept higher value up here. So it retested value here, fair value, because the point of control was down here as well. And then it was like, all right, let's retest higher value. and then here, with this candle here, it's when it actually broke the value area high and started to accept higher value. And it just kept going. And so on this trade here, I'm telling you, since Top Step started being like only wanting people to use Top Step X, it's been a little weird. Like usually, because I pay for data on TradingView, and usually my my levels on TradingView will match up with Tradeovate and will really match up with Top Step X as well, but it hasn't been over the past few weeks. It has not been. So I entered. If I don't enter, I'm not going to enter at the same price for all accounts. So I'm trading like 3 or 4 windows at one time. Like I'm trading my accounts on Top Step. I'm trading my a bulk of my accounts on Tradeovate for Apex. Then I have another window that I have open where I'm trading DxKi on Apex as well by itself. So when I enter, it's not going to all be at the same price, but I do set my stop loss and my take profits at the same all across the board. So in this trade here, I was trading from my phone. I'm super busy. I'm a very busy person, so I don't like trading from my phone. I like, especially like Tradeovate, even Top Step X. It's the worst trading from your phone. If somebody know a better way, let me know. It sucks. So when I was trading, the take profit got hit on Tradeovate, but it did not get hit on Top Step X. And it was actually a few points away from being hit on Top Step X. And I was like, oh, that's pretty odd, because it was set at the same levels, you know what I'm saying? I know all brokerages are different, but this ain't forex. We're trading on the CME market live data, so it should all be the same. So I just went ahead and manually closed out the Top Step X trade. I'm just like, take the money and run. I'm trading on mobile anyway. I don't like trading mobile, so I didn't want to just be in a trade while I'm out and about doing what I need to do. So yeah, that was that. That's I don't trade Fridays, so this wasn't a bad week. It was a pretty solid week. It started off crappy. I'm not gonna lie. That first day, was it Wednesday? I think I only traded twice this week. Yeah, so Wednesday started off crappy. That should have been a W. Really should have been a W. And then Thursday really just regained all my money that I lost on Wednesday. Besides on one of the Top Step accounts, because yeah, so gained just about all my money back plus a few extra dollars for the week. So that's it, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys if you're still here. Thank you.